Okay guys, today we're going to be working on putting the front end back together. The bumper fillers, headlights, bezels, stuff like that. So we'll keep you updated how we transform the front end of this back to what it looked like originally. Okay, thanks. Okay, so we've got these pins in here. And then we got the adjusters for the headlight bezels. Put those in. And we're going to put in the bezels themselves. And we've got the headlights over here. Put those back in. And then we've got the bumper fillers to put in. And then that should pretty much wrap up this front end. I won't show you putting these in because it's just, you know, one goes there, one goes there. Now I got the two there. Same thing over here. And there's a spring that goes on each side. And then the spring for the grill. But yeah, we're gonna get this front end buttoned up pretty soon. All right, thanks. So the inside, where see this side, the floor is really good. It's the other side where not so good because the T-tops. Got a whole new interior for it. We'll wait till it's painted to put that in. So it's a weird option car. Digital dash, automatic headlights, you name it. But crank windows. Power locks. You can see the floor. Only one side. It's terrible. Can't wait to get her back on the road. Alrighty guys, so we got it kind of mocked up a little bit, making sure everything fits properly. So far so good. We are gonna have to take it all back apart again though. I'm waiting on a part for the one side, but once that's all set and I know it all fits well, we'll be wrapped up with this. And it's off to bigger and better things. All right, thanks.